Welcome everybody to day 11 of Connecting with Nature. We're out in the wild in the beautiful Pacific Northwest and we've stumbled upon this amazing river. Now I will bless to you 2 minutes of just watching this amazing river. Sometimes the best way to connect with nature is to just go outside and listen to the sounds. I can just sit here for hours watching this amazing river, listening to the sounds, the birds chirp, just the roar and the power of the river. Hope you guys have a great day. Colt Mansmith out.